be crazy if they had twins, but dogs. Do other animals have twins?
Why have I never thought of that?
Me
they
either.
Have to. They have to.
Wait, hold
But
on.
I guess
Are we the only species with twins?
We're like identical twins.
Like born at the same. Like, can two birds be born out of their mother's at the same time?
I guess I wouldn't know. Like you see like a horde of penguins. It's not like you're like, well, they're all. Some of them got to be twins, right? They all look.
Which one of you are twins?
Come on, which one of you are identical twins? They're all moving exactly the same way. Maybe they're all the same. Yeah.
Going to see a bunch of penguins. Which one of you guys are twins?
Which one of you guys are twins?